Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this Italian chopped sandwich salad. That's what I've decided to call it because that's kind of what this is. So apparently there's a sandwich that you can get some places, and I might get rolled for calling it a sandwich. I don't know if I'm supposed to call it a hoagie or a sub or whatever, but it's where like all of the ingredients are like chopped up really small, and it's got like salami and lettuce and tomato and onion and stuff like that in it. And so I'm making this into a salad because I just feel like it works better as a salad. And the great thing about this is you can add kind of whatever you want. So I'm adding, I did 1 head of romaine lettuce. I'm chopping up some cherry tomatoes. You could use any kind of tomato. And then I'm going to slice up some red onion. I have been loving red onion lately. I don't know what the deal is. Anytime I think about having a salad, I just want to have red onion. Anyways, so I'm slicing up some red onion to add. The kind of the base for this salad is romaine, tomato, onion, cucumber, and then salami for your meat. But I added some extra stuff as well. So now I have this little tiny cucumber. I heard via the internet that these taste better than regular cucumber, and I think they're kind of like a Persian cucumber. I'm just chopping that up. And the other great thing about this salad is it doesn't have to be like perfect. Nothing has to be pretty, because like once you put everything together and mix it all up, it's just a really pretty salad on its own. So you don't have to worry about like chopping things up nicely or anything like that. I'm struggling to pick up those cucumbers. And then I got some salami from the deli, and I'm just going to stack those up. I wasn't sure how I wanted to cut these. I was thinking I wanted to roll them up, but when I stacked them all together, it was too thick to roll them all up. So it takes me a minute to get going here on cutting up the salami, but I get it eventually. And it doesn't really matter. I rolled them up the first time because I was like, oh, that's nice. I'll do like a little chiffonade. And then I was like, yeah, I'm just going to cut them flat because I can do the same thing. So, but again, like it doesn't matter because it's just a chopped salad. Just so long as everything's chopped up, it's great. But you can add other things to this as well. Like if you don't like cucumbers, you can leave them out. I have seen some people add beans, like they had chickpeas and cannellini beans. And I also added some pepperoni because I love pepperoni. You know, if there's another vegetable that you want, I bet some bell peppers would be good in this. I forgot to add the olives. I got a little can of olives that I was going to add. I bet banana peppers would be great. You know, whatever you want. And so now I'm just making some Italian dressing because I didn't have any, but I did have the packet. If you have bottled Italian dressing, that will work fine. If you have any kind of dressing that you like, that will work just fine. But I'm choosing to use Italian. It just felt right for this salad, you know? And then there's my salad, and I'm putting the dressing on. I decided to take the cap off. And then I realized I got mozzarella, and I was adding those little mozzarella pearls because what salad is complete without cheese? So here's the salad. It's done, but just missing the mozzarella. But that's it. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes. And thanks for watching.